So what is up everyone, this is Velron Tech and today we are going to look at the device that you can use to take 360 VR photos using your smartphone. So let's move on with this video. So you get two things in this package. One is this 720-degree lens and the rotator. The rotator is basically a motorized head where you attach your smartphone and then it rotates 180 degree and comes back where it was before. The lens that comes with it is a 720-degree lens, which is a key component. It is designed well and is sturdy in the hand and feels premium. Revealing the lens cap, the glass used in the lens is great as well and has zero chromatic aberrations as far as I have tested. Looking at the box of the rotator, we get the iStaging branding on the box. Inside the box we get a charging cable, which is a standard micro USB cable, and we also get a mini tripod stand that can be twisted on the rotator. You can attach the rotator on a regular tripod, but the tripod that comes with it does the job well enough. Looking at the front of the rotator, you have your on and off switch, your start, stop and mode switch. After turning the rotator, you can set the rotation speed by switching the modes and make it rotate by pressing the rotate button. On the bottom we have a screw mount, so you can mount it on a tripod that comes with it or a camera tripod. On the back side you have your charging port. The build quality of this rotator is absolutely great. It has this great matte black finish that feels nice in the hand, and the matte texture is smooth to touch, which makes it utterly premium. So it takes a VR photo using this device. First you have to attach the lens on your phone and align it with the smartphone's lens. Then you have to place the phone on the rotator's mount and tighten it with the knob. Make sure the lens is aligned with the rotator's mount like so, and then start the rotator. Now before we move on to the apps that are used with this rotator, let's talk about the packaging of the lens. It comes in a carrying case. With it comes a cleaning cloth that does the job well. Let's talk about the apps that are used with this device. You have 4 apps. First you have the iStaging Home app, where you have a lot of furniture and a lot of accessories that you can place using AR technology. So you have different pieces of furniture, you have different accessories, you have different tabletop items, you have lots of pieces of furniture, and you can also buy these furnitures. You can also view these prices. So it's more of a catalog, and also you can view these products in 3D and you can view it in augmented reality too. So it is a great app that comes with it. So the next app that is required to take 360 VR photos is VR Maker, which is also by iStaging. So all you have to do is create a live tour where you have to create a project. You have to name that project and you have to connect your rotator with your phone via Bluetooth. Once you connect your phone with the Bluetooth, it will instruct you how to mount your phone onto the rotator, and then you have to place your phone on the rotator, and then you have to press the capture button and it will do the rest of the work for you. Once it has captured, you can view the VR file and you can export the VR file and also edit it later on. You can also use the VR app to view the file later on. If you have VR headset, you can place your phone into the VR headset. So my final opinion for this piece of tech is that it is a great piece of tech for architects, for floor planners. So far I have nothing to complain from the rotator and the lens. They are both great. So this is my final opinion, and if you are in the architecture department, this device is perfect for you. Or if you just want to take your VR photography to the next level, this is great for photographers too. So that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.